Students, now we will learn how to calculate the number of moles in the given amount of the substances, or if the number of particles are given, then how we will calculate the number of moles. Before starting this topic, always remember that the mole number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number is also known as Avogadro number, because Avogadro was the first scientist who calculated this number. So, in respect of the Avogadro, the name of this number is also known as Avogadro number as well as 1 mole. Let's start now, students, how to calculate the number of moles. Let's take one example, that if there are two questions, two different types of the question can be asked on the basis of the calculation of the number of moles. The first question is that 52 gram helium is given, then calculate the number of moles in it. We have to calculate the number of moles in 52 gram of helium. Second type of the question can be asked that 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. Number of helium atom are given. Or we can say molecule, it may be molecule or atom, then calculate the number of moles. In the first question, the mass of the substance is given, that is 52 gram, and in the second question, number of particles are given, that are 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. So, in both the cases we have to calculate the number of moles. Let's start with the first question. Here, before starting the question, take at a glance that the quantity is represented by which symbol. Here, the number of moles that we have to calculate is represented by small n. Second thing, given mass. The mass is given here in this question, it is represented by small m. Molar mass, mass of the 1 mole, or total molar mass is represented by capital M. Second thing, given number of particles, here in the second question 12.044 into 10 to the power 23, this number, given number are represented by capital N, and Avogadro number, or the number of moles, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number, or this number are also called Avogadro number. These are represented by N0. So, in the first question, given mass of the substance is 52, and we know that the molar mass of the helium is 4. So, according to our question, in order to calculate the number of moles, given mass, number of moles, first question, number of moles is equal to given mass upon its molar mass, or in short, number of moles represented by small n is equal to given mass represented by small m upon capital M. Here if you put the value, then given mass is 52 gram and molar mass is 4, it will be 13. And 13 what, students? 13 moles, because we are calculating here the moles, so we have to write its unit mole. 13 mole of the helium will be there in 52 gram of the mass of the helium. Second question, if the number of particles are given, before solving this question, students, if I ask you one question, that how many dozens are there in 48 bananas, let's take example of the 48 bananas, then how will you calculate that how many dozens will be there? You will simply divide it with the help of 12, because there is 12 number of the bananas in one dozen. So 48 upon 12, so it will be 4 dozens. Have you calculated the total number of the bananas given divided by number that are in one dozen, that is 12. In the same way, if the number of particles are given to us and we know the value of 1 mole, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, then we will simply divide them with 1 mole, the number of particles present in 1 mole, so we will get the number of moles in it if the number of particles are given. Let's see how. Here number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro number, or we can say the number of particles present in 1 mole. In this way, this formula can be written as n is equal to given number represented by capital N upon Avogadro number represented by N0. And in this case, if you put the value, then it will be given number 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 upon N0 Avogadro number, value of Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now if we divide this, then it will cancel out each other and it will be 2. So students, the number of moles in 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 particle will be equal to 2 moles. These are the two methods by which we can calculate the number of moles in the given, either in given mass of the substances or in the given number of particles of the substances. The second type of the question can be asked on the basis of the molar number or moles. How to calculate the mass of the given number of moles of the atom or molecules. So let's understand how we calculate the mass of the given number of moles. Let's take some examples. The first example is calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of N2 molecule. Remember, N2 molecule and not the atom. Now we will apply the same formula that we used to calculate the number of moles if the mass was given. Number of moles is equal to mass, given mass, or divided by capital N molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass that we used in our previous question. But here always remember that the molar mass will be of nitrogen molecule and not the single nitrogen atom, because the molar mass of the single nitrogen atom is 14, but here it is a combination of two nitrogen atom, so its molar mass will be multiplied by 2. So let's see number of moles. If we want the mass, then mass will be equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. It will be represented by capital M. So here mass is equal to number of moles. How many number of moles are given? 0.5, and molar mass will be 28 multiplied by 28. So here it will be equal to 14. So in this way, student, if the number of moles are given, then we can easily calculate the mass of that much number of moles. Secondly, if the same question was given, but here instead of giving nitrogen molecule, only nitrogen was given, then we will multiply 0.5 with 14, because molar mass of the nitrogen is 14, and if we talk about the nitrogen molecule, then nitrogen molecule is constituted of the two nitrogen atom, then its molar mass will be double than the molar mass of the single nitrogen atom. So here the mass will be, in this case it will be 7. If the nitrogen molecule is given, then its molar mass will be its total mass will be 14, and in the second case, when nitrogen is given, the atom of the nitrogen is given, then its mass will be 7 unit. Second thing, that if number of particles are given, then how we can calculate the mass? The question may be of this type, that calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 n atoms. We have to calculate the mass of the given number of particles of nitrogen. So in this question we will use the same formula, that is number of moles is equal to given number upon Avogadro number, that we have used in previous question. Number of moles is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number, because first of all we have to find the number of moles, then we will calculate its mass. So here students, this will give us the total number of moles, and the formula that we just used in our previous question, that is mass is equal to molar mass multiplied by number of moles. So molar mass of the nitrogen is 14, and number of moles, this will give us the number of moles. So here molar mass 14 multiplied by given number of particles are 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 upon Avogadro number, and the value of the Avogadro number is here 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. If we cut them, then it will be equal to 1 upon 2. So 14 multiplied by 1 upon 2 is equal to 7. So the mass of the given number of the particles, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, will be 7 or 7 gram. Now if we are asked to calculate the mass of any substances whose value is equal to 1 mole or equal to Avogadro number, then how we will calculate mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and suppose here we will take nitrogen molecule, then what will be the weight in gram of the 1 mole, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of the nitrogen molecule. Remember, we are talking about the nitrogen molecule and not about the nitrogen atom. So we will apply the same formula, that is mass is equal to number of moles we have to calculate the number of moles first. Number of moles is equal to number of particles given upon Avogadro number. In this case, students, both the number are same. The number of particles given are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and the value of the number of Avogadro number is also same. So we will calculate the mass is equal to molar mass multiplied by number of moles. Molar mass of the nitrogen molecule will be 28. So 28 multiplied by number of moles 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon again 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It will cancel out and the value will be 28 gram. So students, in this way, if the number of moles are given or the number of particles are given, then we can easily calculate the total mass of the particles. In the first case, when the number of moles are given, then they can be directly multiplied by its molar mass. But if the number of particles are given, then we have to convert the number of particles into number of moles, and then we will multiply it with molar mass of the given substances. So students, this was all about the calculating of number of moles and calculating the mass of the substances through different methods.